Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students.
Walaikum salam.
How are you, Miss Linda? आप कैसी हैं?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं ठीक हूँ। क्या आप कैसी हैं मुमीना?
अल्हम्दुलिल्लाह, मैं बिल्कुल ठीक हूँ। तो चलिए आज का सबक शुरू करते हैं. Let me start today's lesson, and this is the conversational Urdu course, and can you see presentation? Okay. Sorry. I am Mumna Batul, and these are my courses. You can see and read this page. I am online teacher. Alhamdulillah. These are my courses nowadays. Continuing. Alhamdulillah. This is the present course, conversational Urdu course, and I learned this poster, Learn Urdu Online. And the second course is उर्दू बोलने वालों के लिए है. ये उर्दू लिखना सीखें, अलिफ बे पे से बिल्कुल शुरू से उर्दू लिखना सीखें. इस कोर्स में ये सिखाया जा रहा है. एंड द लास्ट वन कोर्स इज हाउ टू टीच ऑनलाइन, बिकॉज मोस्ट ऑफ पीपल आस्किंग टू मी आप कैसे पढ़ाती हैं. सो ये उर्दू बोलने वालों के लिए है, हाउ टू टीच. और कल इसका फ्री सेशन हो रहा है 4 बजे 4 p.m. About this course, little bit discuss. I have shown daily about this course for newcomers. The conversational Urdu course is designed to help you confidently speak Urdu in everyday situations. We will start with essential phrases and gradually build up to conversations for different settings. Introductions, family, shopping, dining, and more. Each week you will practice specific topics through guided role play and interactive exercises, making the learning both practical and engaging. By the end of the course, you will be able to hold basic conversations in Urdu with ease. Inshallah, we will cover this course in 24 sessions. If technology helps smoothly, inshallah. Let me review our previous lesson. And these are the phrases. Yesterday we will learn. We will meet again next year. Mrs. Azvinda shared this sentence and we explain this and translate this. हम अगले साल दोबारा मिलेंगे. Do you remember this phrase and sentence?
Yes.
Okay. Please repeat here.
अगले साल दोबारा मिलेंगे.
Perfect. If we say this sentence about past, how can we speak?
अगले से but is not next year.
हम अगले साल तब नहीं आएगा. अगले is for future. Using this word is for future. अगले is next. Okay. And for past we can't use next.
Yeah.
You know in English, okay? We can't use next for past, okay?
Yeah.
Then we use here hum.
Gujarat.
हाँ, हम पिछले साल मिले थे. दोबारा is also for future actually, and yeah, repetition, repeat. दोबारा and again is using for repetition. हम पिछले साल मिले थे. The first word is the. We can write the like this, but Google write the like this. And हम पिछले साल मिले थे. पिछले is new word for you. Are you familiar with पिछले?
No.
हम पिछले साल मिले थे. We say this in English. We have met.
Next.
We have met
Next.
last year.
हम पिछले साल मिले थे.
We have met last year. Am I right? Meet, met.
Yes, next.
Yes. We have met last year. हम पिछले साल मिले थे या मिल चुके हैं. We can say for this. मिल चुके हैं. मिले थे and चुके हैं. Another vocabulary word. थे on place of थे we can चुके हैं also. Okay, let we move forward. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yesterday's lesson was the lesson 5, and these are the vocabulary words that we have already learned. Kahan, सीधा, दाएं, बाएं. Kahan is where, सीधा is right, दाएं is सीधा is straight, दाएं is right, and बाएं is left. Then we discuss the kareeb or pass, meaning nearby. Dur is far, masjid is mosque, and school is school. We have choose a sentence. Last day, I have a pen nearby me. We discuss time. And bazaar is market, dukan, shop, masjid. These vocabulary words we revise. Do you remember this rule?
Yeah, mimic.
Intonation. Mimic intonation is a very, very effective rule for language learning. This is, we try to understand सीधा जाएं, फिर दाएं मुड़ें, फिर बाएं मुड़ें. Go straight, then turn right. Right, this is right. On the right side is masjid was, and left side is school, that is baएं, and दाएं is right. School करीब है, the school is nearby. Similar question, we will try to search. मेरे दाएं तरफ पिलो है. कल आपने ये बताया था. Do you understand what I am saying? कल आपने ये बताया था, ये सेंटेंस. कल आपने ये सेंटेंस बताया था. I am saying that you told me this sentence yesterday.
Okay.
कल आपने ये सेंटेंस बताया था. You told and try to share about your culture and try to learn Urdu culture also. It helps you to improve your language. And this is our, in fact, today's class. I have today's lesson, yes. Lesson 6. In lesson 6, we will try to learn shopping basics. ये कितने का है? मुझे ये पसंद है. We will try to learn these phrases and what we our goal for this lesson. By the end of this lesson, students will be able to ask about prices, express preferences, and use basic phrases related to shopping. The favorite thing for ladies, shopping. Yes, this is, we will try to teach today and learn together, inshallah. This class helping me to improve my English and helping you to improve your Urdu. So you are my teacher and I am yours. Okay. ये कितने का है? How much is this? When we go on shop and asking there about something, price for something, we say ये कितने का है? How much is this? ये कितने का है? How much is this?
ये कितने का है? How much is this?
How we translated into कितने? How much? Both in collectively. How much? कितने? Wait a minute. Sorry, I'm trying to highlight. How much is this? How is कितने? What's wrong with? Okay, right again. कितने is how much? Sorry, I have sore throat nowadays. कितने का है, कितने is how much, ये is this, we translate ये into this, कितने is how much, का is not specific at this time, का है, and है is. ये कितने का है, how much is this, repeat again, ये कितने का है, good. Are you clear with this sentence? We move forward. When we ask a price for someone for on the shop, we ask how much is this? ये कितने का है? Then the next sentence is मुझे ये पसंद है. मुझे ये पसंद है. मुझे ये पसंद है. Yes. मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. Yes. For example, you are there or choose a dress. Try to choose a dress and you express yourself. मुझे ये पसंद है. Then you say, I like this. मुझे ये पसंद है. I think I repeat here 2 times. I like this. What's wrong with? Oh, पीछे चली गई.
So you don't like, मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है.
Yes. This is मुझे ये पसंद है and मुझे ये नहीं पसंद. If you add नहीं there, then it became a negative sentence.
No, ये.
Yes. मुझे ये nice, good point you have. मुझे ये नहीं पसंद है. Then we remove है here. है isn't important when we translate into negative. Then मुझे ये नहीं पसंद. I don't like this. मुझे ये पसंद है, this is, and मुझे ये नहीं पसंद. I do not like this. कितने is how much? I think this page is clear. Let's move forward. Do you watch repeat video when I share with you? I think yesterday I forgot to share, and I will share now both these, inshallah. Do you have time to repeat watching the video recording?
Yesterday one.
Okay. ये कितने का है? How much is this? ये कितने का है?
कितने का है?
ये कितने का है? Okay. Oh sorry, repeat है यहाँ पर. And I think explain तो हो गया. How much is this? Let vocabulary here. For shopping also, these words also important for when we going for shopping. महंगा.
महंगा.
मह. Ga.
Me.
Mehenga.
Mehenga.
Yes. Can I ask a question? Can you recite Quran?
Quran. Yeah.
Can you recite Quran? Have you read
Yeah.
Quran? Okay. That
Yeah.
because when a person read Quran, it is very easy to learn Urdu for that person. Okay, because Quran and Urdu, the alphabets of both languages, Arabic and Urdu, are same. So most of the words are same in Arabic and Urdu. Okay? So some pronunciations in Arabic go in nostril. Okay? Sound go in nostril. Meheng. So when we say meh, the little bit go on meh, and when on n type, when we pronounce m, it go into nostril sound, a little bit sound went into nostril. Mehenga.
Mehenga.
Yes, good. Repeat again and practice. Inshallah, you will be going smooth with this. Mehenga.
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 Yes, mehenga.
Mehenga.
Yes, mehenga is expensive. Okay. Let we go towards the next word. The next word is opposite of mehenga. That is cheap. And cheap is sasta in Urdu. Sasta.
Sasta.
Yes. Sasta.
Sasta.
Sasta is cheap. Okay. Next sentence, I think it's a little bit easy to pronounce. Sasta. Okay.
Sasta.
So, yes. So we move forward the next vocabulary word. Or दिखाएं.
Or दिखाएं.
Yes. Show me more. In Pakistan, there is culture. In Pakistan, the shopkeeper pick up lots of things during, especially when we shop dresses. When we shop dresses or we shop shoes, there is a culture that Pakistani shopkeeper keep the things old and in front of the person, please, in front of person who is for buyer. Okay, in front of buyer, the shopkeeper display things. He himself pick and display things in front of the buyer, and then there is a sentence we use. That things are not enough to like, to choose, then we say them or दिखाएं. Okay?
Or दिखाएं.
Yes. It means these things are not enough to like. We don't like these things. Please keep us some more dresses. Okay? So then we use or दिखाएं. Show me more.
Or दिखाएं.
Yes. Show me more. Or दिखाएं.
Or दिखाएं.
Yes. दिखाएं is show. दिखाएं we translate as show, and दिखाएं. And or is more. Yes. And me is extra for here. Me is for मुझे और दिखाएं. We can say also mujhe. And if we don't use mujhe, then we alone say aur dikhaएं. Repeat one time more. Aur dikhaएं.
Aur dikhaएं.
Yes. And next word is rang.
Rang. Rang.
Rang is color.
Color.
Rang.
Rang.
Yes. I think this is also very easy to pronounce. Rang.
Rang.
Let's move towards another page because our time is moving forward in a speed. Kapde is clothes. Okay. Kapde.
Kapde.
We use kapde for clothes and dresses. Kapde is actually for clothes. Kapde.
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 Yes. Kapde is translated into clothes. I have a picture here. And the next vocabulary is jute.
Jute.
Yes. Jute is shoes. And this is a picture of shoes. Jute. These are jute. And there are type of jute. These are joggers. We also say these shoes joggers. Jute.
Jute.
Shoes.
Shoes.
I think this is also easy and you pronounce it very easily. Pronounce slowly and clearly. Sometimes where you feel the word or a sentence is difficult, then keep this sentence slowly, gradually. Okay? Then it is help you to pronounce. And these are more words. Bag. Bag is also bag in Urdu and English. It's same. Okay. I think there is no need to practice. Bag.
Bag. Rang.
Bag is bag. Okay. And next is rang. Rang is color. Okay. Rang is translated into color. And here are three colors we see here. Can you, in English, color of the bag?
Black.
Yes. And color of the shoes?
Yellow.
Okay. And we say black in Urdu, kala.
Kala.
Okay? Black is kala.
Black is kala.
Okay? And we say yellow, pila.
Pila.
Yes. Yellow is pila.
I only remember Neela.
Yes. Neela is blue hair. Okay. Blue hair, and the background of this presentation page is Neela.
Yeah.
Where is my page? Okay. Clear this page? Okay.
Yes.
Let's move forward. ये कितने का है? How much is this? I think we discussed it. How much is this? ये कितने का है? Next sentence we try to learn. रंग पसंद है. I like this color. मुझे ये रंग yes पसंद है. Can you explain the new words in this sentence? Point out new words in this sentence.
पसंद no.
No new word?
पसंद no.
Exactly. I think pasand is also new. We haven't discussed this before. And the second one is कहाँ गया?
Is color.
हाँ, रंग is color. रंग. Oh. Pasand. I will try to copy pasand. Okay. Write it again. Pasand and mujhe. Two words are new. Mujhe new है?
Mujhe is new.
Yes. Mujhe and pasand. Pasand is like. Okay? Like. We say like in Urdu. Pasand. Okay?
Pasand.
Like. And mujhe is me, I, mine. Me, I. Mujhe. I like this color. मुझे ये रंग पसंद है. रंग we have already read the previous page on previous page. I like this color. मुझे ये रंग पसंद है. Please read. मुझे ये रंग पसंद है.
मुझे ये रंग पसंद है.
Yes. Copy me. मुझे ये रंग पसंद है.
मुझे ये रंग पसंद है.
Good. मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. मुझे ये चाहिए.
मुझे ये चाहिए.
Yes.
मुझे पसंद है.
Hana is telling you, मुझे ये वाला पसंद है. मुझे यही चाहिए.
नहीं. Go home.
Meaning is मुझे यही चाहिए. Okay? मुझे यही चाहिए. मुझे यही चाहिए. I want this. I want this. Okay?
मुझे ये चाहिए.
Yes. I want this. मुझे ये पसंद है. मुझे यही चाहिए. Anna is but we translate this. I want this. Okay, let me move next page. We have time going off there. And you can discuss this page at your home about prices. Okay? ये महंगा सस्ता इनमें which is cheaper on this page, which thing is I have tagged prices there. And you try, this is your homework. You try to write the sentence sasta, महंगा. Sasta is cheaper, which is 100 price is cheaper or sasta here on this page. Okay? And the higher price is महंगा, 200 is mehenga on this page. Okay. Any question you
Okay.
have?
How do you say let's go shopping?
Please pronounce slowly your sentence again.
Let's go shopping.
Let's go shopping. चले shopping पर चलते हैं. चले
चले
shopping पर चलते हैं.
shopping पर चलते
चलते हैं.
चलते हैं.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, goodbye. We are going to for shopping. Bye bye. See my
Bye.
videos. Please watch my videos on YouTube, Facebook, and all social media. Follow me, and inshallah you have learned there too much. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.
Thank you.
Linda and
Allah
Hannah.
Hafiz.
Goodbye. Allah Hafiz. Inshallah we meet tomorrow.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz.
Allah Hafiz. Mm.